I'm Trevin Reese with Ready America. We are a family-owned company in business for over 30 years. I'm excited to share with you our newest line of emergency kits. We want you to be prepared for disasters, and the best way is with our elite emergency kits. Experts agree that emergency services may not be available for up to 2 weeks. So, with that in mind, get your 2-person, 12-day shelter-in-place emergency kit in a large black backpack with red stitching. Contents inside include 6 Mayday 3600 calorie food bars, 6 25-year shelf life 24-hour meal kits which do not require hot water to rehydrate, 6 10-year shelf life AquaLiterz, 50 water purification tablets, 1 emergency power station that is a radio, alarm, cell phone charger, and flashlight, 4 KN95 masks, 1 33-piece first aid kit, 1 8-ounce hand sanitizer, 1 basic hygiene kit, 8 Nitrile Gloves, 1 stainless steel water bottle, and 1 fill-and-go water carrier which holds 1 gallon of water. Lastly, you can register your backpack and receive a reminder to refresh your food and water. All Ready America backpacks are 100% guaranteed. Let's take the first step now to get prepared. Thanks for watching.